Have you ever wondered why freedom in America has steadily declined for over a century? If not, then shame on you. If you have asked the question but never accepted responsibility for the loss of freedom, then once again, shame on you. Because here is a truth no one wants to say aloud. If we Americans are so damn ignorant about our rights, if we don't know the limits of government, then we deserve what we endure. Freedom doesn't disappear overnight. It fades. When the people forget, when the people submit, when the people obey blindly. This isn't about rebellion, it's about recognition. Recognition that our freedom was never unconditional. We are free to speak so long as we say what's allowed. We are free to travel so long as we carry their papers. We are free to live so long as we register, declare, and submit. I said no. I drew a line and I stood my ground, and they came for me. They punished me for thinking like a free man. But I wrote it all down. Restoring the American Republic is a book, and it is not a theory. It's a record of what happens when a righteous man refuses to kneel. Read it, understand it, then join the fight, because what happened to me is already happening to you. You just don't realize it yet. This isn't about politics. It's about truth. It's about consent. It's about whether you still deserve to call yourself free. Yes, to hell with what they've done, and hell no to letting them do more. Visit jamesbowers.com and to the President of the United States.com.